So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Uber's rates for drivers. So there was a study that shows that Uber and Lyft drivers are making $6.20 under a new California law.
Oh.
So they basically did the math, and like the money you should be making as an employee, when you take into account expenses and everything, you're basically profiting around $6 an hour.
That's crazy. Isn't the minimum wage like 16?
Yeah, it's like 16, 17 now in California.
Wow.
Or in LA. In some areas it's like 15.
That's crazy. That's literally like not even half of minimum wage.
Yeah, it's like, this is how people are paying for rent and stuff. And the thing is, guys, like, you're not going to see that money right away because you're going to have to pay for it later. Or you're financing your car, or your car goes down in value and you're paying for it, but then you're refinancing it, or you're adding that loan onto your new car. So it's like this vicious cycle that you just get trapped, and all of a sudden you're like tons of dollars in debt.
Yeah.
But you're working. So yeah, you might be getting the cash now to pay your bills, but you're racking up debt just to cover your expenses. You want to read that?
Yeah. So, a California law designed to improve working conditions for rideshare drivers while also keeping fees down might have done the latter without doing the former, according to a new study from PulseLink. So it says that the study found Uber and Lyft drivers made a median net wage of $6.20 an hour.
God.
This was released on September 21st. Let's see. The law in question is Prop 22, which was approved by voters in 2020. It basically allowed rideshare companies to classify their drivers as independent contractors. So drivers don't get benefits, you don't get overtime pay, like none of that.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah. So, yeah, this just goes on to talk about Prop 22. Okay, so the wage floor under Prop 22 is $4.10 per hour.
Jeez Louise.
You can't live off of that in California. California is like one of the most expensive states to live in.
Yeah, literally. Especially when average price is like $1 million.
And drivers would earn $11 more per hour if they were classified as employees.
Yeah, up to 15. So everybody's saying, "Oh, I want to stay independent." Well, it's like but you have to pay the price for that flexibility, and you're working overtime with no overtime pay. So if you want to get a better job or a different job, you can check out Fetti. By the way, I just pinned this in the chat, guys, so if you can go click the link now and do this later, or you can do it real quick. It only takes 2 minutes. It's free. It's a free service that we partnered with where they actually are looking for gig workers. So gig workers can fill out this form and just enter your email, and they'll start sending you jobs. And the cool thing is that even if you are remote, like if you want a stay-at-home job, they will they'll pair you up with the remote job too.
That's pretty cool.